Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This video is, not necessarily about a specific product, but of what I've been using for the past couple of weeks for school. So, let's start off simple. The Soundcore Life P3s. I did a full review on these. These are glowing. If you want to know more, I have a full review, but basically these are an AirPods Pro competitor for less than half the price. I think it's even less than a third of the price. That always happens. But those are my earbuds of choice. I used to daily drive the MPOW Swifts, the green, like lime green or neon green ones, and those were not great. The second piece of technology that I have been daily driving, my laptop. So this is a Lenovo IdeaPad 3 with a Ryzen 5 5500U, 8 gigs of RAM, a 256 gig SSD, and a 1 terabyte 5400 RPM hard drive. It's fast, like, compared to all of the Celerons in the Chromebooks, the Acer midget books, as I like to call them. It's nice and responsive. It's got the touch screen, which I use more than I would think, but oh, I look orange, whatever. It's got keyboard shortcuts, which I kind of like. It's got something called Lenovo Vantage. And this is basically Lenovo software. I thought I would uninstall this, but this is actually really useful. It's actually what's in the bottom right corner right there. So this is basically what I use to manage my battery life, what I use to kind of do some security things. So this laptop's Lenovo. Lenovo makes ThinkPads, and ThinkPads are secure. So they have a few security features here. They have like a microphone on a toggle, and they have a keyboard shortcut here as well. They have like a camera, privacy mode, but they also have like a privacy shutter. So I don't know if you can see that, but there's like a red dot there, and that goes away when I do that. So when there's no red dot, that means it's open. Red dot means it's closed. So that's my laptop of choice. The phone I use is actually what's recording this, so I might be able to splice something in with, but I also probably won't be able to. So I'll just give you some specs. This is a, I don't know if this is a 2020 or 2019, because there's like a weird thing, but this is a Huawei P30 Lite. So it's got triple cameras, but it's basically a dual camera. One main, one wide sensor. And then there's like a depth sensor, so helps with portrait mode, apparently. But, so that's the phone. It's got Kirin 710, 4 gigs RAM, 128 gig storage, a couple other specs I have no idea. But, so, like, my parents got this for a deal because they were getting some phone plans, so I just got this. Those are my buds. This is basically the stuff I've been taking to school. And to protect my laptop, oh, this is so overkill. I can't even show it. This is the TomTalk 15.6-inch laptop bunker, is what I call it. It's got lots of space. I got some HDMI stuff, some USB stuff, charging stuff. That's basically what I carry the laptop in. It's massive. So that's that stuff. I don't take much more. Like, some of the things I take, I have a water bottle. think this is from Thermoflask. Yes, Thermoflask. This is like a 40-liter bottle. Pretty big, pretty heavy, but also carries a lot of liquid. I have all this stuff linked in the description on Amazon and wherever I can find them. Keep in mind, I am definitely not popular enough to have affiliate links or whatever, so yeah. Those are basically just basic links. You can buy them for wherever. I'll just post some links for your convenience, and this is just a quick video because I'm gonna try and start uploading at least one video a week on Friday. I don't know what time's on Friday, but on Friday. Today's Thursday because Friday's a school day, but you know, I gotta film early. So this is like I didn't put too much work into this video. This is basically just to keep up with the YouTube algorithm. I'm probably not going to do much cutting. But if you liked this video, hit that like button, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and perhaps comment. Like, none of you guys are commenting. What are you doing? Like, there was one guy on the Life V3 video. If you want to know what subreddits I actually post on sometimes, r/stingpods, r/Lenovo, r/Soundcore, and r/ROG for the Keras Wireless, which I actually returned a couple of weeks ago, unfortunately. I'll have that video linked down in the description as well, along with all these and their products. I won't even bother linking the Keras. It's just not good enough for the price. At least the software isn't. So, you enjoyed this video, do all that stuff I said, and goodbye.